Welcome to the ultimate guide on luxury style. Let's design your elegant dream home today. Luxury isn't just about expensive things. It's an experience of supreme comfort and refined taste. Today, we explore the core elements of luxury interior design to elevate your own living space. What exactly is luxury style? It is a design philosophy rooted in spaciousness, quality, and intention. True luxury is timeless. It avoids fast trends in favor of enduring elegance and classic proportions. Beyond aesthetics, it is about creating an environment that feels incredibly comfortable and deeply relaxing. Finally, luxury is personal. It showcases curated collections and bespoke pieces that tell your unique story. A fundamental key feature of luxury interiors is symmetry and perfect balance, creating a sense of calm order. Scale and proportion are crucial. Large architectural spaces demand generously sized, commanding furnishings. Custom architectural details, like intricate moldings and bespoke millwork, elevate a home from ordinary to grand. Art is not an afterthought. It is integrated into the architecture to create a sophisticated, gallery-like experience. Luxury design blurs the line between indoors and out, extending your living space into the beauty of nature. A sophisticated luxury palette often begins with a base of warm neutrals to create a timeless and serene atmosphere. Use rich accent colors like emerald, navy, or deep burgundy to add layers of drama and personality to the space. Subtle metallic accents in gold, brass, or bronze add a refined shimmer and a touch of glamour to every room. Natural stones like marble, quartz, and limestone are the foundation of luxury, offering unmatched beauty and durability. Rich, high-quality woods bring an essential warmth and organic soul to an elegant, high-end home. Layering fine textiles like silk, velvet, and cashmere creates a tactile richness that is the hallmark of comfort. Use glass and crystal to play with light and transparency, making your spaces feel even more expansive and bright. In the living room, prioritize scale, comfort, and a grand focal point to create a space that is both social and stunning. Your bedroom should be a private sanctuary. Focus on a soothing neutral palette, soft lighting, and supreme comfort. Master the art of layered bedding using high thread count linens, silk duvets, and plush cashmere throws for ultimate luxury. A custom dressing room elevates your daily routine, displaying your wardrobe like a high-end boutique with perfect lighting. The luxury kitchen is a culinary masterpiece, featuring dual islands, custom cabinetry, and flawless high-end stone surfaces. Professional-grade appliances are either showcased as bold focal points or seamlessly hidden behind custom wood paneling. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like oasis with a sculptural freestanding tub, heated stone floors, and calming natural light. Indulge in an oversized, glass-enclosed walk-in shower featuring book-matched marble and rainfall shower heads for rejuvenation. The secret to luxury is intention. Embrace negative space and allow a few carefully chosen pieces to breathe and stand out. Invest in magnificent statement lighting. A striking chandelier acts as the room's jewelry and defines the entire atmosphere. True luxury hides the mess. Conceal televisions, speakers, and wires behind custom cabinetry to maintain a flawless aesthetic. Elevate your space with custom, floor-to-ceiling drapery. Heavy, tailored fabrics add incredible height, softness, and acoustic warmth. Never underestimate the power of a large, high-quality rug. It anchors the furniture, defines the space, and adds vital texture. The powder room is your chance to be bold. Treat it like a jewel box with dark colors, dramatic lighting, and striking stone. Luxury extends beyond the walls. Create an outdoor entertaining space that mirrors the comfort and quality of your interior rooms. A resort-style pool deck with matching teak loungers, crisp cushions, and elegant shading brings the 5-star vacation home to you. Even functional spaces like the home gym deserve premium treatment. Opt for sleek, matching equipment and abundant natural light. Luxury is highly functional. A custom-designed mudroom keeps daily clutter completely hidden while greeting you with beautiful order. Pay close attention to the hardware. Solid, heavy brass or nickel pulls and hinges act as the fine jewelry of your custom cabinetry. For the collector, a custom climate-controlled wine cellar with integrated lighting becomes a breathtaking showcase of your passion. Your front door sets the tone. A massive, solid wood door with custom metal hardware creates an immediate impression of grand luxury. Style your surfaces with intention. Use oversized books, unique sculptures, and metallic trays to create a curated, high-end look. A home library offers a quiet retreat of intellectual luxury, combining rich wood textures with the timeless beauty of books. Create an immersive entertainment experience with a dedicated home cinema, featuring tiered velvet seating and expert acoustic design. Treat your guests to 5-star luxury with a dedicated suite that offers privacy, comfort, and thoughtful, high-end amenities. Don't forget the fifth wall. Intricate coffered ceilings and Venetian plaster walls add deep architectural character to your home. Luxury is a sensory journey. Curate your home's scent and sound to create an invisible layer of supreme comfort and elegance. Even functional spaces can be beautiful. A well-organized, high-end laundry room brings luxury into the most practical parts of life. Designing an elegant dream home is about harmony, a unified vision where every detail works together to create timeless beauty. Whether inside or out, the luxury style is a commitment to quality, craftsmanship, and a life well lived. Your dream of an elegant home starts with a single inspired choice. Start designing your luxury lifestyle today.